Here we're looking at the LifeStraw water bottle that comes with a filter. I will be giving you my thoughts after owning this for over a year. And some of the reasons why I got this filtered water bottle, say I'm at a stream or a lake or a river and I need to get some water and I'm out of water. I didn't want the regular LifeStraw where you just suck it straight out of the lake or out of the river. I wanted something that I can open up and scoop the water and screw back on, which has the filter inside already, so I don't have to stay at the lake or the stream, just drink while I'm on my way. So it comes with a free LifeStraw outlet, so you can connect it to your water bottle and then you can attach it to your waist. When you first get this bottle, make sure you wash it out really good inside and on the outside and on the mouthpiece. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. And then when you first take your sip, in order for it to start, it's going to be difficult at the beginning. It is working, you just have to prime it first. And that folds down and it lifts up easily with my finger. And this rotates. And as it screws off, there's the filter. And then the other filter is here. The filter is actually replaceable. What I like is that it also has measurements on how much milliliters of fluid that you have inside the bottle. The LifeStraw filters, which are the smaller ones that actually fit in this area of the water bottle at the top, because there's two separate filters. There's one here and there's one long one here at the bottom. The one on the bottom actually lasts longer, way longer than the top filter. So this filter, this long filter here, it filters out 1,000 gallons, and the filter at the top, the smaller filter, which looks like this inside, that actually filters out 26 gallons. So you can purchase the carbon filters to replace out, which don't last as long as the long filters. And you could also get these from LifeStraw. Here's the carbon filter. It's easy to replace. Just pull it right out. And snap this right back on. Now, I did think about when it comes to replacing filters, how do you know when it's time to replace out your filter? So there is no device on here that tells you when it's time, but you may want to document every time that you fill it up or a time frame. So you would have to pretty much figure that out on your own. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.